So the first corporate level strategy is single product strategy. Single product strategy means here the organization serving or selling one product or service to a defined target market. So think about Singapore Airlines. What are they selling? They are selling airline services. So this is a good example of single product strategy. So here the corporate level, the corporate which is following the single level strategy going to do business in different industry with just one product. But that is a rare case because most of the organization they prefer to come up with more variation so as the more options for the customers and more offerings in the market. That's why marketers are preferring diversification, where one pattern of diversification is related diversification. So from the term we can understand that here the diversification has some relationship among themselves. So it's a strategy when organization is operating in different industries with several different businesses, but still there are some link. Somehow they are connected. So here's an example of Campbell company who is producing different patterns of product with different brand names, but still they have some relationship. They have some connection. What is that? To understand that, we need to find out on which point we can say that the corporate is following the related diversification or not. So these are the bases under which we can say that the corporate is moving on related diversification. So the first one is similar technology. Similar technology means even though the corporate is running two different business under two different industry, but still they are connected as they are following similar technology. So there are some examples in the slides, but I'm moving on some other example, that is Honda. Honda is a Japanese company and they came in the market with the product motor bicycle. The most attracting feature of their product was energy efficiency engine, and that one is accepted highly by the customers, and all over the world this concept is appreciated. When they found that they are accepted widely with this concept, then they use this technological knowledge to come up with a new product, that is car. So they came up with a new business, that is Honda car, but the technology is similar. Whatever the technology they used for Honda bicycle, they use the same technology for engine in their car. So this is how they are doing related diversification. Then the second basis of relatedness is common distribution and marketing skills. Sometimes we may find that even though the company is operating in different industry, but they are maintaining the same distribution channel and same pattern of marketing communication. So if they follow a single principle for the distribution and marketing, it means that they are connected. So think about Procter & Gamble. They are doing different patterns of business in different industries, from baby products to cosmetics. So they are doing business in different industry, but still they are maintaining the same pattern of distribution for all pattern of businesses, and they are communicating in the same way. So this is how they are doing related diversification business. Another important point is common brand name and reputation. Sometimes organizations prefer to move with a single brand name and prefer to establish the new business based on the existing reputation, which is done by Disney. Disney is doing a good number of business from movie theater to theme park, and they prefer to establish their business with the existing brand name, that is Disney. Then another basis for relativeness is common customers. Even though you are offering different products, but you are addressing the same group of segments, that is the same pattern of customers, then again you are related, because here you already know your customers, and based on their likings, dislikings, and based on the investigation of your customers, you are producing the products. So here you are enjoying your previous research on customers, and based on that you are coming up with new concept. So this is how a corporate can develop related diversification strategy to enjoy the existing establishments of the organization. Now be very specific about the advantages of related diversification. Why we are preferring related diversification, or why the company or corporate are moving for related diversification. The very first one is it is going to reduce your economic risk, because here already the business activity is dependent with the established one. So if there is any loss, then other business is going to pull up that loss by using the brand reputation, or understanding the customer base, or taking the advantage of established technology or distribution channel. Then the overall cost through the economies of scale and economies of scope is going to be reduced, because here you are considering the common basis either from communication or distribution or technology or customer research. So while the one aspect, one cost is spreaded over a number of industrial reach, then definitely it is going to ensure the economies of scale. Another important thing is sometimes the established positions is going to strengthen the brand image and acceptance of the new product in another industry and for the customers. So here you are going to enjoy the benefits of previous existence. Also, when a company is moving with more businesses in different industry under a single reputation or brand name, that is going to strengthen the capacity of the organization. So that is why sometimes, most of the times, corporates prefer to move with related diversification. But just like other objects, it is not out of demerits or drawbacks. So what are the common problems or disadvantages that related diversification has? The first one is sometimes it is getting very difficult to coordinate, as there are a good number of businesses under a single umbrella, and sometimes it increases the risk to maintain the commitment. Also, it is going to reduce the flexibility, and sometimes the product obsolescence may increase. Moreover, if there is a problem of supply in raw materials, then maybe it is not going to affect only one business, rather than it may affect some other business also. So that is why sometimes related diversification is going to create some obstacles and push the organizations to move some other pattern of strategy.